A few moments later.
Oh! No use there on the corner. No use there on the corner to blood clot. So he might run come out now. Show up in face one look at time. Push. And run go back in our hole. You know, hey, me say the fool stop it. You no blind. That the man didn't like you know.
You never move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
One, you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, a Media Fox, man. So you don't know. The vendetta boss, you know, in the street right now, you see me? You know, all of them say, yo, him not mingle with them fans, them and every little thing, you see me? Yeah, but you don't know, the boss, they're Jamaican, him a go and doing thing and easy, you see it? Yeah, man, they know what things set. So, a bag of thing a go on. You don't know the boss album for forward and you know him have to do him thing and cause you don't know everything where you see what go on right now. Alkaline I do it for a reason. You see me? Yeah, and the people them you see more while in a life. Sometimes you can't make people get too tired of you. You understand? Yeah. But we'll go in a video and I'm gonna see what go on. Yo, one thing, you know, them people have to make sure get them picture, cause look here. Them don't know when them will get back a next picture, you know. You're not Alkaline are only artists. When them see a video of him, them things say them are one day for AI to the man move. You understand? The people them right now, them are one day for really him. Cause them not to see them man yeah. You see me? And to me see it a while, it look like, you know, come see some water in some van back or something I go on in. I don't know. You know. See some water, I wonder for some, you know, I don't know if you want to see the water in the car back.
Yeah, it's over there.
Yeah, man, you know what things said, people. I just Alkaline and do what I have to do, you understand? Yeah, man, the bars have to really do what I do right now. Cause remember, them forward out and say, yo, you know, see Alkaline no rate nobody and this and that and into anti-social and... But you don't know, the youth just go on... The youth just move like a superstar. Remember overseas, you don't know when the man them forward out and them paparazzi and... You know? Alkaline going at garrison and, you know, big up the people, them take a look a picture of the fans and... You know, cause remember them not see him, them not really see them man, you know. So everybody have to get around and, you know, call it them little, you know, look a picture and every little thing. Right now, them people here, I cut right now when them take that the picture there, you know. That I go up on DP, that I go put in a frame and put up in a house. Picture with Alkaline. I know nothing normal. You see me? So it's a good look the artist for. Cause look at people. To be honest. Alkaline just do what him have to do. Everything takes time. Them feel like say, yo, through other people I do it, him for do it at the same time. You see me? Everything take time. And more while people, you have to just make people, you can't make people tired of you and them little thing there. Sometimes if you make people look on you one day for really you, them not really see Alkaline every day. But you see when them see him, it's a very special moment. And I don't know if Media Fox forward out and you know go to work already. You see me? The vendetta boss did it. Yo, all this coming by boss touch downtown and a bag of problem. You see me? So he might do him thing, you know. I go in at the street and you know, some people are gonna say, yo, watch you my flap out you know, watch you my flap out you know, make you see my forward out and I do this. No, brother. Everything takes time. You see me? Alkaline can't flap out. None at all. You do him for do set to him for set already. All of the artists them where boast over things. Alkaline been there and done that, youth. Cause at the end of the day, the moves where youth are making a dancehall and this a young generation. Him alone I did. We don't see no other artists based on theme generation we are talking about. We are do what I do right now. The movement, the new rules, all of them little thing there. You see me? So Alka can just go on and just put out in music and every little thing. Cause at the end of the day, brother, all when them say, yo, Alkaline consistent this and that and Ray, but him a pull the biggest set of crowd them. More than the artists so more them a say consistent. You understand? So, it no matter what you do, brother. You can't stop the data boss. May I tell you no. Cause look here now. No, you can't say him. Cause look here now. It no matter what Alkaline do in the street, you know, people. Them people you can't please, you know. Them a go find some way. Cause remember, yo, Alkaline a mingle with fans. Him not do this with fans. You see what him a do it now? You know them a come say, oh, the reason why him a do it, a true, him have an album a forward, him have this a forward. So it no matter what Alkaline do, them a go have something bad for say same way. You see me? Yeah. Them a go say you a stunt. I remember with the interview where him doing, them a say, yo man, mastermind and you have people them a talk and bag of things. But Alkaline know how to move. Him know how to have the media talking. You understand? And one thing with the youth, you know see no bagger. Yo, when you check it, there's a piece of clippings and you know, everybody phones out and them not see the youth regular. Yo, them a make sure and take them picture too, you know, cause look here now. Them not see Alka fi now again. And lucky them lucky. You notice the youth just a going easy. And you know, him just a do him little thing and him just a smile and bag a thing and just you can Alkaline a very humble youth. You see me? And him love the fans them. You see me? Him love the fans them and fans them and motivation and all of them little thing there. He might not in the space every day, but the youth are doing him thing. You see it? And at least the boss forward out and show a fan them say, yo, but there. Cause them not to see him. You see me? So the boss just make a pass through and cause let me tell you this people. Enough of them people where you see forward out and talk bad about Alkaline. You say if them see him in a real life and Alka say touch, their mind change. Remember say Alkaline tell you say yo, I try not sit up and chat up with them, you know. You understand? And that's why. I say things say because look here. The more the artists can out there in the street and thing and you can give a man a little thing this and a little pocket money or you know, a little big up, yeah, them rate you. But if them not see you, them will try say, the man don't rate nobody, you know, but you make them see you one day. I say, boom, but I saw it always go people. Sometimes when you're friendly with people, them will hype you up and thing, but you see when you're not too friendly with them, yeah, everything change. But it's a good look right now, you see me? It does put some people to shame right now where artists are do right now. You see what I try to say, cause them say them no mingle with fans, them not do this, which a lot of video, a lot of things out there like picture and so where fans are take. But true, them used to the narrative of dancehall artists a go around and walk around and they so every look away and camera and all of them little thing there. Yes, cause right now, to me, after that month I done, you know, I hate that. Cause I remember say Alkaline have show in a March and them have to prepare and all of them little thing there, you see me? So right now you don't know the album are forward and we don't know maybe this is a documentary or maybe it's something for putting at the album like the video and you know something special because Alkaline do them thing pan a run everyday thing but the you just rate the fans them him tell you are the fans them you see me not because him not there on everyday and thing means him not rate the people you see me because at the end of the day fans is very important to the artist you see me I just saw the youth move you see because at the end of the day you know your fans are going to for you either when things are going for you or things not going for you. That's true fans, that's loyal fans. You see me? When nothing not going for you, yes, your fans still are listening to your music, them and see them way. You see me? Them not no problem. Because as a fan, you're supposed to know how your artist move, how him react, how him do him energy, how him energy stay. And know. Because you listen to music and you hear what him say. Remember a man say, yo, me take a phone call, me take a one picture, but me can't take the fakeness. You understand? Nobody come around me. You see me? Don't talk to me. For you know you don't rate me. You understand? So that's how the youth. So that's how the youth just keep him energy to himself and do what he have to do. Cause you don't know, man a superstar. So anyway man touch, you don't know people them a go ray. You see it. Do what them have to do. People, and look at fans get them look a picture and thing. You see when them get all this a picture. Yo, one thing, you see anybody will get picture with Alkaline, it just go viral. And I tell you like pages are reposted some Instagram page, all on the YouTube, cause it's not a everyday people lucky to get picture with. You understand? And that are the thing. Cause you see right this all a little baby like they beside the match. Yo, what the boss say, alright, take a little picture about it. You see me? But you don't know. Do him little thing. It's a nice little clip. If you know say, yo, the vendetta boss rating people him. Him not too talk and him say, yo, you don't know him say respect. You see me? Humble youth, man. You see me? I have to big up the data boss at that same speed. So, all who did I say this and that and where, them can't say nothing. Cause no matter what you're doing, you always have your real fan base. It no matter if you mingle with them or not, them still are gonna rate you. Cause you think your fans rate you? You think because taking picture with you and all of them little thing there. It's because of your music. Remember now, before Alkaline start the music, him never have no fans. Nobody never know him like that, like what them know him now. But the youth start the music, put out quality music. I saw him build him fans. I saw him fans connect to him. So anyway you take it, is the music really the fans are gonna do the most reaction to? Yeah, it's a very super plus. Forget a picture with your artist where you rep for years. It's a wonderful thing. But sometimes you have to just lucky if you get that picture there because look here. You see superstars, you not just get picture with superstar. You not see them every day. You will see them one time. Seem like a foreign you don't know. You will see like Jay-Z, them, Beyonce, them, all of them top artists there. You see me? Especially the antisocial one them. Yo, you hardly see video and picture. Yo, right now, Eminem. Me never see Eminem take a picture with somebody yet. Mean like, me never see paparazzi around down them man there yet. Like, yo, me don't know how them man there. Me never see certain artists, you know, too see camera. I pick them up like every while, pop up more and more while. So I try to say, but I saw the thing said, you don't know the vendetta boss, him a do him thing. You don't know, as me say, album a forward, you don't know. Everybody a wait pan it. All apps them. Yeah, man, all apps them a wait pan it, man. Is it? So, yeah, man, we have to big up the vendetta boss. You don't know. Him forward out, cause, yo, I years now. Alkaline, yo, I went last. I not even know when last. Yo, about years. The last time I see Alkaline do a video, them time they're like, if I know the song with him texting and after all, not them time, but it's been a while, Alkaline, you know, going you know, whatever place him go like in a theme place him forward from our. But yeah, but the fans them, you know, the people them love for say yo, him forward and them even surprised like, yo, it's not a right now. You see after a boss cut, it's gonna be a talk. Yo, Alkaline just you know who me see what there? Alkaline me see what there, you know. Yo, yeah, everybody a look. I saw you thing said. You see me? And I just, you know, right now, if you look this right now, me I tell you, I just look at one little piece of community the right this and the people them just do them thing and do what them have to do. You see it? Yeah, man. So it's a good look for the artist. You don't know video camera up on the scene. People are afraid for go take you know, see them at you see the woman in black, they say, yo, people afraid for go take picture with the band there, cause yo, they don't even know. They don't even know if you do. You see me, cause the boss just go on easy and you don't know. Boss bodyguard them fully active. You see it? Yeah, man, the boss bodyguard them fully active, man. You see me, cause you don't know Alka still link with them with him G them, you know. Yeah, man, Alka still link with them G them. You don't know him and Kerry are going easy and apart. You don't know. Yeah, man, number one sister Kerry. Yeah, it's a good look. Cause right now, it's a good look, people. That's all I have to say. It's a good look. The vendetta boss outside, do what him have to do before him get all of here, because you don't know. Fully effect, shows, album, everything. Have to do it. You see me? You don't know when the album they dropping a people and nothing normal, you know. But when you don't know people, I just want media facts, you know. There's no other, you know. Yeah, man. No other media facts. I don't know. As me say, Alkaline have him fan base, media facts have him fan base. So look here now. I have to big up my fan base too. Cause at the end of the day, big up all of my subscribers, cause them are my fan. You see me, although I know some apps. Maybe subscribe to my thing too. I know me have the apps there, my man them will say Gaza and my man them will say Crooks. Then still rate media facts see me, cause you don't know when I ready for beat and teach and you know talk about them artists. You don't know. Cause look here. We rate dancehall, we rate the music. You see me? Yeah, man. And we rate every artist same way. But sometimes you don't know how to correct the narrative. Yeah. Because you don't know how to speak the facts. You see me? Not the trash. Yeah. But you don't know I want media facts on the app. I don't know one vendetta boss same speed. You see me? But it's a good look. And you don't know people. All of the fans them just look out for the album. Because now gonna man. I remember if we get to no tickets, Brooklyn, and you don't know up to the line after champs. You see me? Yeah, after champs. We don't know who school and usually going to people. If a Calabar or JC or Judges, we don't think I can win champs this year because you don't know anybody win champs, you know. They might get a special surprise. You see me? A special turnout. The man himself I got there up to the line March 28th. So this is a celebration day, you know. You don't know I think a police officers club. I tell them already, you know, I not even know about that venue there because look you know. The road there got black off, you know. Yeah man, the road there got black off, man. The vendetta boss got there and nothing normal. I tell you that. But people, wanna know a thing set. Yeah man, a media facts man. That is it.